Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's learn about ear. Hi everyone, welcome to a fun Spanish adventure. Today we're going to learn about a very important verb ear. Are you ready to learn all about ear? Let's go. Ear means to go in English. It's how we talk about moving from one place to another. We also use it to talk about what we will do in the future. Learning ear is like getting a magic key to unlock so many possibilities in Spanish. You'll use it all the time. So let's get started. Why is ear so important? Well, imagine you want to tell your new Spanish-speaking friends where you're going later. Or maybe you want to ask for directions to the best ice cream shop in town. You'll need ear for all of that and more. It's like the engine that makes your Spanish sentences go. Ear helps us describe all kinds of movement. It can be as simple as saying, I am going to the park, or she is going to school. But here's a secret. Ear also helps us talk about the future. We'll learn more about that a little later. For now, let's learn how to use ear in the present tense. Don't worry, friends. Learning ear is easy. Let's look at the present tense. Yo voy. I go. Tú vas. You go. Él. Ella. Usted. Va. He. She. Go. Nosotros. Nosotras. Vamos. We go. Vosotros. Vosotras vais. You all go. Ellos. Ellas. Ustedes. Van. They. You all. Formal. Go. See? Not so scary, right? Just like learning anything new, it takes a little practice. Let's see ear in action with some fun examples. Yo voy a la escuela. That means I go to school. Tú vas al cine. That means you go to the movies. Él va a la biblioteca. That means he goes to the library. Nosotros vamos al parque. That means we go to the park. Vosotros vais a la playa. That means you all go to the beach. Ellos van al restaurante. That means they go to the restaurant. See how ear helps us talk about going places? It's like our trusty helper on all our adventures. Remember how we said ear has a secret superpower? Well, here it is. When we use ear plus a plus infinitive, we can talk about future plans. The infinitive is just the basic form of a verb, like comer, which means to eat, bailar, which means to dance, or hablar, which means to speak. Here's how it works. Voy a comer pizza esta noche. That means I am going to eat pizza tonight. Vamos a bailar salsa mañana. That means we are going to dance salsa tomorrow. Vas a hablar con tu amigo hoy. That means, are you going to talk to your friend today? See? Now you can tell everyone about your exciting plans in Spanish. Congratulations! You've learned so much about the verb ear. You know what it means, how to use it, and even how to use it to talk about the future. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use ear in your Spanish conversations, the easier it will get. Now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences using ear. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. See you next time, friends. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more Spanish tips and share with your friends. See you next time, amigos.